Good day to all you sirens out there. Today, we have a very big announcement. Flight prices have plummeted in the last few days, making international travel much cheaper now. But this won't last long. So book your flights now. Oh my god. Yes. That's just what I need. I might as well call my friends.
Hello?
Hey Gotchlingo.
My username is Wingo-chan now, but you can just call me Wingo.
Whoops, sorry. Please forgive me, madam.
That's okay.
But anyways, ASC Airlines is selling tickets cheap right now, and I am thinking about going to London, and I was wondering if you'd like to come.
Okay. How long for?
Possibly 5 days.
Cool. I'll come, but I'ma bring along my mom too.
Okay.
Yeah, and let's just hope that P50 and CS8 don't show up and start slaughtering everyone like last time when me and some others went to Japan.
Okay. Yeah. Great. Bye.
Do you have any sevens? Go fish. Who the heck could that be? Why, it's Thunderbolt. Hello?
J to T22.
Hi, T-Bolt.
J to T22. Who's that with you?
It's Megablaster Jr.
Oh cool. J, do you want to come to London with me for 5 days?
Yeah, man. Packin', as we speak. Looks good. Perfect. Everything fits snugly. Like Tetris blocks.
Really? You sure about that? I can't seem to get this all to fit.
Just push harder. You got this.
Well, alright. I'll try.
No, that's not good enough. Further, further. Come on. Deeper. Really get in there.
Alright, it's in.
Good job.
Okay, let's all get in the thundervan and head off to the airport. Alright. We are here. Let's go get our boarding passes.
Okay.
5 tickets to London, please. Alright. That will be $250. Here you go. Thanks. Have a good flight.
Thanks. There's a jerk taking a nap in 4 seats at once here. Fine. We'll pick another spot to wait for our plane to be ready.
Like heck we will. I'm gonna Flight E5 boarding now. Flight E5 boarding now. Oh, that's us. Let's go.